Let's say Audit gave me a file with a bunch of good ideas, and in my Python program, I want to store all of those ideas. But I have a problem. I don't know how many ideas that there are, and making a variable for each idea wouldn't group all of the ideas together. So, for example, let's say I wanted to access all of the ideas. So, how can I approach this? Well, we have lists in Python for this exact reason. A list can store a bunch of different values, like strings, integers. You can even actually make a list of lists and put them in one variable. So to show you an example, let's create a new file. To save this as lists.py. See, we're saving this as a Python file, so I don't need to add the extension. So just lists. And to create a list, I'm going to call it ideas, and it's going to be equal to an opening bracket, then a closing bracket. And this is our first list, but it has nothing in it. So to add values to our list, like a string, then we just put our value, then a comma, and then another value after it. So we just add our values and then we separate them by commas. So I'm going to put a bunch of pre-written ideas into this list. So and then just a comma, and I'm going to actually write it, the next idea, in a new line. You can actually write the whole list in the same line. I'm just doing this so you can see it a little better. Alright, so we now have our ideas with a bunch of sample ideas in it, and this is our example list that we'll be using for the next few videos.